in order to check Wi-Fi and mobile data usage on Samsung Galaxy S25, first of all we need to go to settings. Then in the settings we want to go to connections, and over here we want to go to data usage. And over here we have the summary of the used mobile data. Over here you can also see for which SIM it is shown. And if you scroll down, you can also choose the mobile data usage for the specific SIM. So in my case, since I have two SIM cards, I can go to mobile data usage over here, and technically I can also go over here if my SIM 2 was working. Besides that, at the bottom we have Wi-Fi data usage, where we can check how much data was used through the Wi-Fi connection. Over here we can also choose a different time frame or period, and the same goes with mobile data usage. Over here we can also switch to different months or weeks. And that is it. Over here you can also find the list, of course, of apps and how much data they have used. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!